I have a new quiz for you guys today, and it's a highly requested color theory quiz. So follow along and see how many questions you can get right. And sponsoring today's video is Invoice Home, which is an awesome service that I personally use to invoice my clients. Now it's totally free if the combined total of your invoices over a 30-day period is below $1,000. And you can learn more about Invoice Home at the end of today's video. So maybe grab a pen and paper and jot down your answers. What is the term for the numbers that refer to the RGB colors? Pantone, hex codes, hues, or tints? In the triad color scheme, if you have blue and yellow, what would the third color be? Red, green, purple, or orange? In the color mode HSB, what does the S stand for? Standard, shadow, saturation, or silhouette? What is the complementary color to green? Is it purple, yellow, blue, or red? Now if your design has a bold and bright red background, what would be the worst choice for your text color? White, blue, black, or yellow? So when talking about color in graphic design, when we say tint, what does this essentially refer to? How matte the print is? How much white is used? How much black is used? Or how shiny the print is? What color scheme does the Burger King logo utilize? Triad, complementary, split complementary, or monochromatic? Now what is true about monochromatic color schemes? It only uses one tint. It starts with one baseline hue. It involves only complementary colors. It utilizes high saturation colors. Why are most social media logos and branding based around the color blue? Blue is associated with feelings of trustworthiness, strength, and dependability. Blue is easygoing on the eyes. Blue is a good choice for web-based graphics. Or blue is a very neutral color. A quick bonus question that you don't need to count for your score, but what is the main color used for my Satori graphics branding? And of course, it is actually purple. So how well did you do on the quiz? Let me know down below, and also if you want to see more quizzes on this channel. But also remember to check out Invoice Home, link down below. For a service that is free when your invoices are under $1,000 per 30 days, it's a really good choice for your workflow. I personally use Invoice Home to generate my invoices for my clients, and it does offer a wide range of templates for you to use. They're really easily customizable, and you just simply need to add in your relevant details and then save the invoices. You can also of course change the currency that you want to be using for your invoices, and you can even do things like add your own logo and so forth. You can then generate sleek PDFs of your invoices after saving them. So check out Invoice Home, link down in the description box below. If you want to keep boosting your skills and your awareness as a graphic designer, subscribe to my channel for weekly graphic design content. And also, if you want to see exclusive content and videos, check out my subscription-based website, also linked down in the description box below. Make sure you have a great day, everybody, and until next time, design your future today. Peace.